In our trader rundown today, we are bringing in Scott Bauer of Trading Advantage, who happens to be a father of 3 sons.
That's right.
As we dedicate this show to Dad. So thanks for coming on.
Always a pleasure, Ange.
We would love to get your best trader money advice that you would give to your sons.
So one, I'm going to start more in a general financial advice, and that is to be a little bit old school, which these kids don't know about. These Gen Xers have no clue about these days, and actually balance a checkbook. Not that any of them even use checks. It's all done electronically or debit card. But when you get a statement, whether you actually get one through snail mail at the end of the month,
right,
or download one, actually go through it line by line. And I still do that. I know I'm old school, but I have made it imperative for my boys to do that because I want them to know where they're actually spending their money on it, right? It's just too easy for all of us, kids and adults. It's too easy for us to just swipe our card or Venmo or whatever it is and not really know where you're spending your money. So this, I know, has helped my 2 older ones, especially with budgeting, and hopefully it's going to, work into a little bit to my guy that's going off to college.
And what's your next tip?
So my next tip is in terms of investing, they're certainly at a different point than we are in our lives. They can take a little bit more risk. Now, that being said, you cannot just jump into any sort of investment, right? And the generation of today, everything is immediate returns. So trying to teach them and teach people about, well, you're not going to buy something today and sell it tomorrow for 100% profit. That's the difficult thing. So they come to me all the time. Should I buy this? What do you think about this? And I always tell them, once you've done your due diligence, once you've done your research, we'll discuss it. I don't want them to look at, the hot things now are these cryptocurrencies,
right,
and say, okay, these cryptos are going to, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're going to go up 30% overnight tonight. Maybe they will, most likely they won't. So my biggest point is, if there's something that you like, for whatever reason it is, do your due diligence first, bring it to me and we'll discuss it.
Especially when there's a hot stock and everybody's buying it.
It's real easy to run with the herd, isn't it?
It is.
Yes.
Thanks for running with us today.
Of course, my pleasure.